What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing all these ends while you motherfuckers got to be. I'm just cocksucking, eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi my crown ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. It's sort of like a vlog style, but I took you guys with me when I went to get my birthday hair done. The hair in this video is from Tinashe hair. They sent me their loose deep and they sent me a 20-inch frontal with a 20, 22 and 24-inch bundle, and it came in a natural color. It came in a Ziploc bag with their logo and instructions on the hair. However, for my birthday I wanted blonde. I didn't want my hair to be black, and because I wasn't sure how it would turn out if I did it, I collabed with hairstylist that's on Instagram. Her name is I Love Sammy. I'm going to put her info below. So she basically got the hair and she colored it. Well, she bleached it. She told me that she had to bleach the hair 4 times to get the different shades of blonde that she wanted. I'm sorry that I didn't have the clip of her bleaching it because I wasn't there when she did it. So basically this is me getting the hair installed. She placed the bald cap, well, the stocking cap, what am I saying, because we're doing the bald cap method. So she placed the stocking cap on my head as per usual. My hair is braided to the back, and she used some got-to-be gel just to seal the front. And now after it dried, she's cutting the excess stocking cap off. Guys, let me tell you, I'm gonna look very frustrated throughout this whole video. I'm sorry. I had a really tough day. This hair was done like 2 hours before midnight when it was my birthday. I was on the road all day. You'll see it in my vlog that I was trying to get my birthday outfit, and then that wasn't working out. I had a very rough day. I didn't even sleep the night before. I got like 2 hours sleep, and then I had to be on the road trying to get my birthday outfit. And then when I went to get my birthday outfit, it did not fit right, so I had to go to the mall and get an outfit. So I was really just like panicking that my whole birthday idea, my look and everything was not going to turn out right. And then I was extremely tired. I was supposed to do my hair in the morning and I didn't get to do my hair in the morning. I ended up doing it like 10 in the night. Like, yeah, so the whole time I looked agitated. Like, don't come for me, I look tired, I look like crap. But I mean, the day of my birthday, it all came together. But yeah, let's get back to the video. So she was trying to fit the wig on my head, and in my opinion I think the wig was a bit small, but she made it work. I don't know, it was a little snug, but she ended up making it work. And that's just her trying to get it to fit the perimeters of my forehead. And yeah, so after measuring the wig out, she's just going in and cutting off the extra lace, the extra hair on the side, and just really fitting the wig, shaping the wig to my head size and head shape. And she's going in and tweezing the frontal. She tweezed it before, but I think she just went in again to get the edges, you know, extra together. So she went in and she's just like plucking the hairline so it can look more natural. And I really like how the color on this unit came out. Like, that was the look that I was going for. I had a picture and she brought what I wanted to life, and I was really happy with that. Guys, at first when I went, I was worried because of how the hair looked, but this happens naturally when you color hair, and this hair was bleached 4 times. So naturally when the hair is really bleached, you know, it damages the hair. So you have to be sure to go in with like oils and stuff, like some argan oil and stuff, to really bring back the luster in the hair. And even though the hair was looking a tidbit frizzy because of all the bleaching, in the end it turned out really bomb, and you will see that as well. And now she's just going in and cutting off the excess lace off the wig. And she started in the middle with a razor. I could never do that on my own, like using a razor to cut my hair. But she's a professional, so I mean, yeah, she's going in and just cutting off the extra lace. Do you see my face? Oh my god, at this time I was so tired and over the day. Like May 11th was something else. I felt like if I had high blood pressure, I would have had a freaking stroke. That's how crazy the day was, and that's how, you know, frustrating it was all day. Oh my gosh. But yeah, she's cutting off the excess lace. And guys, I muted the sounds of the video because it was really noisy in there. So it didn't even make sense to keep the audio. It would be annoying for you to watch and hear all the extra stuff going on. And she's cleaning my forehead with alcohol just to take away any excess oils. You know, when you're applying lace, you must clean the area that you're gonna apply the lace to. Clean it with alcohol, like 90% alcohol, so all the oils and dirt is gone. And she's just like trimming up the extra cap just so it doesn't like show through. She went in with some foundation just to blend the lace and my forehead together, I think. Yes. And sis went in with some bold hold lace tape. I believe that's what it's called. Yes. I've never personally used the tape, but she was telling me that when you're doing installs, like on the side, it's good to use the tape because the glue tends to lift up at the side and the tape literally holds it better. So I'm thinking of buying myself some bold hold tape to put at the side of my wigs, because after she did it, it really stuck, and I had my hair in for almost a week and it didn't move. I had to use alcohol and take it off myself. It did not move. The side was laid the whole time. So I'm really thinking of getting some bold hold tape. And there she's going in with a flat iron comb just to get the hairs back so it doesn't get in contact with the glue. And did I just say flat iron comb? A hot comb. Oh my damn. No, a hot comb. That's what it's called. Jesus, I don't even know how to speak. So she's going with a what the hell? She's going in with a hot comb. Okay, Kimberly. So I'm gonna get me a hot comb. I think it's really important. So I'm gonna get me a hot comb. And then I guess she's measuring the hair. Guys, just watch the video because I wasn't the one doing my hair, okay? So I'm sorry if I sound really retarded explaining it, but I'm trying to explain what she's doing so you can understand. Then she's going in with the Bold Hold Active glue. Oh my god, sis is tired. Sis is me. Look at my eyes. Yeah, so she's just like putting on like the first layer of the Bold Hold glue. She used like 2 layers if I'm remembering correctly. When I use it, well, when I use the regular Bold Hold, I don't use like extra layers. I just do like 1 very thin layer and then use a spray because I don't keep my wig on for that long. But the way how she did it, it lasted me, as I said, almost a week. I was one who took it out, so if I didn't want to take it off, it would have lasted longer. All you have to do is just keep tying down your edges at night. But yeah, she's basically going in with it, and then she's getting like a popsicle stick, fudge stick, or whatever you call it. Or is she using a tweezer? Nah, okay, sis is using a tweezer. I'm sorry, the back end of the tweezer, and she's just spreading that glue out spreading it out, and oh, she's adding another layer. Okay, and she's adding some more. I'm sorry, you guys. I was not seeing when my hair was being done, so this is the footage that my friend recorded. So if I sound all over the place and explaining it, that's why. I'm really sorry. And now she's just smoothing that out again. Okay, so I know I said 2 layers, but it seemed like it was more than 2 layers, so I just counted like 3 layers, and then she's like using the blow dryer just to get that to dry a little bit faster. And I think after this she went in again with another layer, so in total it's like 4 layers. And with the bolt hold, I think you can go up to 5 layers depending on how long you want your hair to last. Yep, it was definitely 5 layers. No. Can I count? Okay, I think it's 4 to 5. Don't quote me. I have to go back and count it over, but I think it's 4 to 5 layers was on my hair. But that is it. That's what she did, and then she went in with a blow dryer, and then she dried it. And after it was completely dried, she applied the lace. And I don't think I need to explain anything else because I'm not explaining it very well. Just keep watching, okay, guys? And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then what are you waiting for? Like, please go subscribe. Like, we're almost at 10K. Literally, we need like 20 something people to be at 10K. Like, come on, guys, subscribe. Like, surprise me now. Let me upload this video and let me check back, and we at 10K plus, okay? And she's basically just putting in the hair, attaching the hair on in sections. So the rest of the video is hella self-explanatory, so keep on watching. Basically almost done. Did that make sense? But yeah, she just went in after this with some got to be free spray on the edges, and then she used the Rapid styling strip, you know, the thing that I always put on my edges. She just tied that baby down and made it settle and get that lace laid. And at first, guys, I was hella worried about the hair because of how the ends look, but once she put some serum on it and she curled it, that baby looked fire. So whenever you're using like colored wigs, or you're bleaching your wigs, or you're gonna have a bleach blonde look, be sure to get good products. You know, get you some BioSilk, get you some heat protector with that has serum in it that will nourish the hair. You know, colored hair takes more as opposed to natural color, so once you bleach your hair, you have to care for it. And yeah, she just went in and she gave me some bomb ass curls with her curling iron. I need to get me a curling iron because I only have a flat iron and a curling one. But yeah, enough about that. And you see she's putting in some serum and some stuff, and she's just gonna curl this baby up, and then she pinned it up, and that's about it. that's it for this video, guys. Like, stay tuned to the end to see how the hair turned out. I really loved my hair, and you'll see more of the hair in my birthday vlog. Thank you again for tuning into yet another video. I love you guys so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll catch you in my next one. I love you so much. Bye bye.